We are here at the Galata Tower, which was built in the 7th century and is about 9 stories high. It is one of the coolest things we have done here in Istanbul because you get an entire view of the city. So it's something you should definitely do. We're going to show you around and kind of show you the view of what it looks like here. Originally built in 1348 by the Genoese, the Galata Tower was the crown jewel of the Galata defenses, a bustling trading colony just across the Golden Horn from ancient Constantinople. Galata Tower has stood as a military watchtower, a dark dungeon for prisoners, and during the Ottoman era, a vital fire lookout, scanning the wooden neighborhoods below for any sign of flames. From its peak at 67 meters or 220 feet, you can see the entire city of Istanbul, across the Bosphorus, Europe, and Asia. Today, the Galata Tower remains a timeless bridge between the legends of the past and the energy of the modern city of Istanbul. The tower is open most days from sunrise to almost midnight, but always check the hours before you go. You can buy your tickets on site.